What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So the question is that is buying a $769 iPhone X refurbished worth it? Firstly, if you wanna buy the crappy iPhone, go with the XR due to the camera. The only reason to buy an iPhone XR is just due to the camera, for video only, for the stabilizer. Other than that, so he's saying hi. Yeah, even he don't like iPhone, to be honest with you. Hi, Lei Ho. Something file. So so the question is very simple. Should you spend $769 on iPhone X? My suggestion will be no. My suggestion will be no. It's not worth it. Why? The answer is quite simple. Because it's really not worth it. For $769, first is refurbished, is already used. I support refurbished. I mean, for iPhone, $400 maybe I can support. $400 Apple Certified Refurbished iPhone X, maybe I can support. But 769 never. I mean, look at my Note. I mean, this is my Note. I just pay like $449 for my Note 10. On the Note 10, billion are better than the iPhone X. I mean, if you want to buy like something unique, it's much better. I mean, I always say iPhone XR is our best phone for video, but not anymore. After the launch of Vivo Dual Screen, it have a OIS. You can even use the second screen to view and then record. It have an amazing stabilizer. That only costs you like $600. There's no reason to buy. I mean, enough is on the Apple. I love you, to be honest with you. Punish Facebook, but even you are sporting the 80 and this 5G scam. Enough is enough, Apple. Don't be a bad Apple. If you have become bad Apple, it's time to kick you out. I mean, from the market. There can be more mango, there can be banana, but there won't be any Apple. People say Apple keep a doctor away. I say a bad Apple keep you every day in the hospital. It was me. Subscribe. It's not really worth it. Subscribe and bye.